Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I will teach you how to change your voice completely using AI technology. At this moment, this video belongs to me, but the voice you hear is not my original voice. I have modified it using latest AI technology. You might have noticed that the lip sync in this video in this sound completely natural with no pauses or no interruptions. In today's video, I will show you how you can also change your voice using AI. Before we start, I kindly request new friends to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for my next video. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open this website. I will give you the link in video description below. As you can see here on left side, click on voice changer. Now, here you have two options. First option is upload your audio file or video file or record in your own voice. I will suggest you convert your video to MP3. Okay, open any video editor at this time. I am using Filmora. Import your video here. Okay, now drag and drop it to timeline. Now, click on export. From here, change the format MP4 to MP3. Okay, give the file name. My MP3 file and choose the folder. Then click on export. Okay, our MP3 file is ready now. Okay, now open 11Labs again and click to upload. Upload your MP3 file. On right side, you can change different voices. Okay. After that, you can click on generate speech. It is take 1 minute or less process your audio. Okay, now our MP3 file is ready with voice change. Click to download button. Okay, now open a video editing software again. Click on your video on a timeline, right click, and then detach audio. Click on audio file and press delete button from your keyboard. Now, click on import media again and import your 11Labs audio file. Drag and drop and put it to second timeline, put it to audio timeline. That's it. Now your voice is completely changed. And now export, click on export button, create video, and change the format to MP4 and click on export button.